All right guys, real world tests on the roof today. Got the Mini 6 100% 5G. This is brightest to get in direct sunlight. So let's do some photos and videos today with the Mini 6 and see how it turns out. All right guys, for content creation, you can definitely use this. 12 megapixels. You're not gonna get the quality you get on your pro versions, but this beats out a lot of cell phones. I can promise you that. So, nope, I can't switch. So, but yeah, this is front facing camera. All right, don't know how good stabilization is or the microphones. I can use this with a wireless mic. I'll probably do some of the video using the Full Aim X5, but you do get the zoom feature on this as well. So digital zoom, you get 2 times, and then optical zoom, how far can we go? We can go 3 times with optical zoom. So it will let you do that while you're recording. Again, I don't know how good stabilization is. You'll be able to tell with me walking. Nice sunny day out today though. 83 degrees outside, pretty warm, especially for here. There is a lot of smog, not as much as normal because it did rain heavily last night. But you can create videos with this thing. I know people frown upon seeing people out with an iPad, but bro, you paid for this, it's yours. If this is all you got, create with what you got. Forget what anybody else is talking about. So this is low light. Couldn't get my microphone, the wireless microphone, to work with this. So, but this is definitely not that good in low light. Definitely shouldn't expect any of the pro features when it comes to this device, especially in low light. Yeah, that's not going to happen with this. Looks kind of blurry. Let me see if I can focus. Tap to focus. That's a little bit better. But yeah, overall, hold up, let me move it back over this way. Tap to focus here. It's a little better. Not much better. But yeah, this is definitely not a low light monster. I mean, you can use it if you need to, but you get much better quality from your iPhone in low light. For sure. Even tapping the focus, yeah. But I will say stabilization was a lot better than I thought. When I was on the roof, I couldn't tell because everything looked shaky. But when I got back and put it on the video editor, it's fine. So this is sound directly from the iPad. Let me know, guys. But yeah, low light. Yeah, this is probably something you want to skip with low light. All right, guys. So in conclusion, you can do video creation with this, not a problem. I mean, the cameras are not the quality of your iPhone. Even if you got the regular iPhone, not the Pro model, you're not gonna get those type of cameras, but these cameras are good enough to create, especially during the day. Now at night, you just saw low light. That's something I definitely wouldn't recommend. And one thing I wanna do real quick is show these clips, because you got some people that think that you're just throwing stuff out there. No, these are all the clips right here that came from today and that low light video. And this is the timeline with all the clips from the iPad. It's only the small creators they want to question. Large creators never get these types of questions. But anyway though, guys, that's it for this video. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day.